Hi everybody, it's Aaron Vogt here of Vogt RV Centers and Airstream of DFW. And I'm happy to report that the RV business is growing and growing, and it's no different here at Vogt RV. Right now we have 3 locations off of Airport Freeway. We've got our Vogt Motorhome store, which sells Tiffins and Leisures and Midwest vans and Pleasureways and Jaycos and a whole assortment of motorized vehicles. We've got our Jayco Family Fun Center, which is an exclusive Jayco towable location. But I'm here to talk about our all-new Airstream of DFW. It's located at 109 North Chandler Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. And where that is really close to I-35 West and 121, just a little west of our other locations. So if you're coming from our other locations, you just head west on 121, exit Sylvania, and you'll want to do the loop around because we're on the south side of 121. We're very close to the Top Golf that's in Fort Worth too, so if you're coming from the downtown Fort Worth side, you head east, exit Sylvania, you'll see Top Golf on your right, and continue down the service road and we're just off to the right. And again, that's 109 North Chandler, Airstream of DFW. Look for the big gray building and the red, white, and blue sign. And we're open now. We're going to have a big grand opening ribbon cutting ceremony in November, but we've gone ahead and opened our doors and brought in all of our units in this nice big 40,000 square foot air conditioned building because frankly it's in the heat of Texas, and why not go ahead and utilize the building and open up and show everybody a sneak peek of what we have to offer. We're a 5 rivet dealer, and out of all the dealerships that sell Airstream RVs, there's only a handful that they've awarded as a 5 rivet dealer. And what that means to you is everybody in this roof has either been to the factory and been trained or is on their way to the factory here in just a few months. So not only that, but we have to keep a certain amount of parts in stock in order to be a 5 rivet dealer. Our surveys, we have to have a high level of satisfaction from our customers to maintain that 5 rivet status. So it's just a really cool, awesome place to shop, and we think you'll enjoy it. While you're here, please register for Basecamp. We're going to give away a Basecamp next spring. So we want to have you come on out and register to win that. It's Airstream's #1 selling trailer, and it was RV of the Year in 2017 when it was first introduced. So basically, I just want to invite you out to please come see our new store, shop in comfort, talk to real professionals, and see if we can't get you in an Airstream today.